Hey boys and girls! Today we're learning about the letter B, so I thought it would be fun if we read a story about one of my favorite little dogs, Biscuit. And today the story is Biscuit Loves the Park. And here's your title page, Biscuit Loves the Park. Biscuit, where are you? Woof, woof. Here, Biscuit. We're going to play in the big park. I have your ball, Biscuit. Let's play. Woof, woof. Wait, Biscuit, where are you going? Your ball is right here. Let's play. Woof, woof. Uh-oh, there goes the ball. Woof, Biscuit, wait for me. This is a big park. Woof, woof. Silly puppy. Are you by the tree? Look at where he is. Are you by the bench? Woof, woof. Biscuit, are you by the pond? Woof, woof. Biscuit, where are you? Woof. Funny puppy. Now I found you. Arf, arf. Oh no, that's not Biscuit. Here, Biscuit, here, Biscuit. I found your ball. Oh, but where can you be? Woof, woof. Biscuit, are you by the merry-go-round? Are you by the swings? This is a very big park, Biscuit. Where are you? Woof, 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 woof. Oh, Biscuit, where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. Woof, woof. Sweet puppy, I was trying to find you, but you found me and lots of new friends too. Now, let's play. Arf, ruff, woof, woof. Look at all the friends that he found. And now he's playing. Isn't that fun? The end.